continue inspection through the customer's bathroom. These are the floor drains. This is the toilet in the connection with the toilet in the employee's bathroom. And to the right is the connection with the vent stack. And here at the left, connection with the toilet in the customer's bathroom. These are the two floor drains. Cannot see it here, but on the top it should be the connection with the sinks for both bathrooms. And this is the old existing pipe. This will be in the break room, under the kitchen sink, under the break room sink. There is a little standing water in that fitting right at the break room sink, under the break room sink. So from under the break room sink, the pipe is taking a right turn, going towards the bathroom door. This is going towards the bathroom door in the employee's bathroom. That one, I'm not sure where that one's coming from. Wow, this is a newer pipe, 44 feet away, with probably a clean out on the top. So this is definitely the plumbing in the store next door, and by the dirt standing in the pipe, it looks like this is getting stuck with clogged pretty often. And then cast iron pipe again. And we have standing water here. Probably this is where the clog was when I was here last time, so I had to do it from the clean out in the break room. This is definitely clogged. So that one actually was a belly in the pipe. Oh no, some dirt here. Here looks like the pipe is full with water. coming out from the pipe again. From the water, I mean. It's not going anymore. That's all. It's not going anymore. It's 137 feet away. That's all. Oh. This area with standing water here may cause a little problem. And maybe this one too. These are under the store. The other ones with the other areas with standing water, they are not under the store we are working for, so it's not much we can do in that. Only the landlord. But this one looks okay.